Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our column. Let's go to insert. Okay, from date. Let's choose data validation. Now let's add a drop down. Okay, drop down like this. Option 1, you can make many options. Okay, let's choose our option 1. Here's our option in my product list. Just best value. Now let's type milk. So any word with this will be colored in the color. Okay, egg with another color. Okay, now sugar with green. Now cola with brown, and done. Let's delete it. Okay, hide this column. Okay, now we have made a drop down list in that column. We can add more here. It will be automatically colored like this. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to make a drop down list in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.